Welcome back to the channel. If your Audi is experiencing AdBlue system issues and is showing the P20C4 reductant heater C fault code, make sure to watch until the end because I'll show you how to fix this problem permanently. Before we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let's start by removing the engine control unit ECU, which is located right next to the engine. In this case, it's a Bosch EDC17C74 ECU. Next, using the KT200 flasher, I connect the ECU on the bench exactly as shown in the wiring instructions. At this stage, we need to be careful not to bend or damage any of the pins on the ECU. After successfully connecting the bench cable, we connect the bench box to the flasher, attach an external power supply, and establish communication with the ECU. In this case, I'll perform a full read to create a backup for safety purposes. I'll then save the complete file to my PC for future use if needed. Once we've completed the full read from the ECU, we load the flash file into a software tool that offers a wide range of features, as you can see in the video. In this case, I'll select the AdBlue option, and then I'll manually remove the P20C4 fault code to ensure it no longer appears. Once the software has finished processing the file, the necessary changes have been applied, and we now have a modified file ready to be written back to the ECU. Using the flasher, we write the modified file back to the ECU. During this step, the flasher asks us to select the original file as well so it can calculate the checksum before completing the right process. Once the writing process is complete, we disconnect the external power supply and remove the bench cable from the ECU. The ECU is now ready to be reinstalled in the vehicle. Let's put everything back together and see the final result. As you can see, after starting the vehicle, the fault code is gone and the AdBlue system issue has been resolved.